it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Today we are with Nhance. Nuh Frighten. So, I was brought to this artist. This artist was brought to my attention by the song with the Iman Chronicle. I think I Life the song name. Song the bad. Let me say the artist about it now. Even though some people was put in the comment section for react to Nhance before, and I haven't. So I saw mistakes sometimes, Mr. Ban. But we're there with Nhance again, Nuh Frighten. Hopefully the one you're bad too. Let's go.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go! Let's go again!
Sweet music.
Sweet music, dog man.
Ready?
You no rate, mama no rate you.
No.
So you can go suck your mama straight up.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go! Let's go again!
You not rate me not rate you, brother. You not have to rate me, just know something not rate you too. Yeah. If you not rate me not rate you, wait, fast forward. You can go suck your mother straight up. Wait, not just any mama now. Your real mama, boy. Suck your real mama. Yeah. Suck your real mama. You scunt. Yes, boy. Yeah, he. Mother's cunt, boy. Let's go. Let's go. But like it's already and it just start.
Sweet music,
When I rate you, brother.
dog man.
Real mama, boy. Scunt. Oh, the scunt, boy. Let's go.
You no rate,
Me
mama
not rate you. No.
So you can go suck your mama straight up.
Real mama.
To bleach out you with your France paint on. No frighten for nobody that come in no race so.
Look at that dirty bleach out youth from Spain town with the foot back hang off I polo slippers. Yeah. Me no friend for people, brother. Me no grow so. Remember say me grow rough like Scotch Bright. Remember say me grow rough like Scotch Bright. Me no soft like sponge. So go suck your real mama, boy. Hashtag real mama. Mother's cunt. What is cunt, boy?
That dirty bleach out you with your France paint on. No frighten for nobody that come in no race so.
No.
Remember me tell you me big but I'm brave too so you can't run up guy cheap clock up bake you. Put those funny.
Man say remember say me big but I'm brave so you can run up. Remember say the chip like I go bake you. Yeah, and I know what for me I talk about. When me talk about bake. Know that. Move.
But I'm brave too so you can't run up guy cheap clock up bake you. Me put those funny look up and stay so big be my skate out fuck girl every day now.
And the lifestyle, brother. Me put a house on the hilltop, brother. And stay so big be my skate house. Big be my skate out. Fuck girl every day. So. Real boy. Real.
Me put those funny look up and stay so big be my skate out fuck girl every day
so.
now.
Yeah.
Come in no frighten for nobody. Yeah man I saw it and I saw it go daddy.
Yeah man I say it tan, brother. I say it go daddy. I just say lifestyle, brother. I'm not friend for nobody, brother. And anybody when don't like me, I pass the video. Suck your real mama, boy.
Come in no frighten for nobody.
No.
Yeah man I saw it and I saw it go daddy. In a mo own alley and I me I go on it. So me no afraid to tell nobody if you go suck mommy you can just go suck your mommy no.
Yo. Me na me own a lane and me a govern that, brother. Me a govern it. So me not afraid to tell a boy if you go suck him real mommy. You can go suck your mommy. Real boy.
Yeah, nah, me I go on it. So me no afraid to tell nobody if you go suck mommy you can just go suck your mommy no frighten for nobody.
No.
Yeah man I saw it and I saw it go daddy. Me in a me own alley and me I go on it. So me no afraid to tell nobody if you go suck your mommy you can go suck your mommy. I run me close more than cheap. But still not see no pussy hold more than me.
All when me close more than cheap. All when me close more than cheap. Check the man. What is more than cheap? I when him have nothing, brother. You still can't style him. Because him still not running, brother. You still can't style him. I don't think so. Brother, you can't use likes and catch me. Suck your real mommy, boy.
I'm own alley and me I go on it. So me no afraid fi tell nobody if you go suck mommy, you can go suck your mommy. All when me close more than cheap.
Yeah.
Me still not see no pussy hold more than me. No. Never hold grand feet, prefer hold cold concrete. Before me catch a smaddy, other try to hold one sleep face to be.
But tell us say yo, me never wore grand feet. Remember say a female, anything you see me a female. Me not wore grand feet. Then the G move on and say, brother, him not catch a people yard, brother. Him prefer hold the concrete. Him prefer hold out until him own, brother. Hold him on till him own. What?
Never hold grand feet, prefer hold cold concrete. Before me catch a smaddy, other try to hold one sleep face to better know that J.
Face it.
This. No care who you be, me no do the running thing. So anything where you deal with, me not give no pussy no chance to feel big.
Me not give no pussy no chance to feel big over me, brother. Wanna feel say? Wanna feel like, brother? Me not going no chance to feel big over me, dog. Like what? Eh? Me face it all when me not have it, me face it, bro. That's so me grow.
I'm pretty. No care who you be, me no do the running thing. So anything where you deal with, me not give no pussy no chance to feel big. Remember say me no frighten for nobody.
None.
Yeah man I saw it and I saw it go daddy. In a my own alien and me I go van it. So me no afraid to tell nobody if you go suck mommy, you can just go suck your mommy. No frighten for nobody.
Pull up. Let's go.
Can't play this one time, brother. Sorry. I'm sorry. I can't play it one time. I'm sorry. Sorry, not sorry. Suck your real mama, boy. You're real mama. You're deaf? You're deaf? Like you're deaf. Like you're deaf. Look like you're deaf. You're real mama, boy. You no rate me no rate you. No.
So you can go suck your mama straight up. That dirty bleach out you with your friends paint on. No frighten for nobody that come in no race so.
No.
Remember me tell me big but I'm brave too so you.
Yo, the G but the G fight vice bad to in a dog. Nhance, big up yourself, my G.
So you can go suck your mama straight up. That dirty bleach out you with your friends paint on. No frighten for nobody that come in no race so. Remember me tell me big but I'm brave too so you can't run up guy cheap clock up.
Beat your boy.
Without money, the pants stay so big be my skate out. Fuck girl every day now. Come in no frighten for nobody.
No.
Yeah man I saw it and I saw it go daddy. In a my own alien and me I go van it. So me no afraid to tell nobody if you go suck mommy, you can just go suck your mommy. No frighten for nobody.
No.
Yeah man I saw it and I saw it go daddy. Me in a my own alien and me I go van it. So me no afraid to tell nobody if you go suck mommy, you can go suck your mommy. All when me close more than cheap. Me still not see no pussy hold more than me. Me never hold grand feet, prefer hold cold concrete. Before me catch a smaddy, other try to hold one sleep face to better know that J. I'm pretty. No care who you be, me no do the running thing.
No.
So anything where you deal with, me not give no pussy no chance to feel big.
Brother, me no care who you be, brother. Me do the running thing, brother. Remember, I have asked my friend more, me can't run far. So me not running, brother. Me no care you who, brother. You can't diss me, brother, and feel. And if you try do that, if you try this me, bro, me I go fix things. Yeah?
So anything where you deal with, me not give no pussy no chance to feel big. Remember say me no frighten for nobody.
No.
Yeah man I saw it and I saw it go daddy. In a my own alien and me I go van it. So me no afraid to tell nobody if you go suck mommy, you can just go suck your mommy. No frighten for nobody.
Yeah.
Yeah man I saw it and I saw it go daddy. Me in a my own alien and me I go van it. So me no afraid to tell nobody if you go suck mommy, you can go suck your mommy. Me no run into no man. Anything you have then me can own one. No for no.
Me not run into no man, brother. Remember, I said it to we get the same 24 hours on the day, you know. So anything you work hard for and get, me can get it too. Cause me have the drive like a chuck. Me can go do it. Remember, I said me don't tell us me no grow soft like sponge. Me grow rough like Scotch Bright. Yeah, know that. Don't get bright. Yeah, suck your real mama, boy.
Me no run into no man. Anything you have, then me can own one. No for no boy love run go bar, but just know I mean name me so all my own. But say
no for no boy love run go par with man because them have things. Love running in a group and crew because them have things that I found. I mean, yeah, Mr. Hold me one dog, me can hold my own. Me not running, brother.
No for no boy love run go bar, but just know I mean name me so all my own. But say can't get no chance for this me. And if I try that it risky, me I'll fix things. Not even about you, me not beg for use. Me prefer all my pistol, it kill me.
Bomba! Not even bathroom, me no beg for use. Me prefer hold my pistol, it kill me. Yeah? Me prefer hold my pistol, it kill me, brother. Bladder full me, all that. Nah beg nobody nothing, dog.
But say you can't get no chance for this me. And if I try that, it risky me or fix things. Not even bathroom, me no beg for use. Me prefer hold my pistol, it kill me. Remember say me no friend with nobody. Man, I saw it, and I saw it, go daddy. In a moon, I live, I mean, I go bunny. So me no friend with nobody. If you go so man, you can go so man. Me no friend with nobody. Man, I saw it, and I saw it, go daddy. In a moon, I live, I mean, I go bunny. So me no friend with nobody. If you go suck mommy, you can go suck your mommy.
Oh, class.
So me no friend with nobody. Yeah, with nobody. Me ready to know, man. No take program. Me no friend with nobody.
Right nation, bomba class.
As a bleach out youth.
As a bleach out youth, one bleach in your J. Bomba. Sang bad. Me no afraid to tell a boy if it's okay real mama boy. This me I find out. Try to tell me I find out. Me tell you about your real mama. You deaf? Yeah, dog. Enhance, make up yourself, J. Make up yourself, bro. I would definitely be reacting to a lot more of your songs, them, bro. So, guys, in the comment section, tell me which one the next bad song we react to. We'll drop already. You see me? Yeah, guys. Big up on yourself. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys enjoy what you see and you haven't dropped a sub yet, please do drop a sub. Feel free. You know? Big up yourself. Yeah. You know, we ever tell a boy if it's okay, mama, it's okay. Yo! Style bad. I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace!
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And it's a rip corner.